Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll show you how to maintain a wooden fence in humid conditions to prevent decay, rot, and warping. First, it's crucial to apply a high-quality waterproof sealant. This prevents moisture from seeping into the wood and protects it from rot. Make sure to reapply the sealant every 1 to 2 years, depending on weather exposure. Next, regular cleaning is a must. Use a mild detergent and a soft brush to remove dirt, mildew, and algae that thrive in humid environments. This helps maintain the wood's appearance and prevents damage. Humidity and vegetation are a bad combination. Trim back any plants or bushes that are too close to your fence. They trap moisture, which can lead to wood rot over time. Inspect your fence regularly for signs of damage. Pay close attention to the posts. After heavy rainfall or storms, check if they've shifted or become loose in the ground. Once a year, give your fence a fresh coat of stain or paint to protect it from the elements. This not only improves its appearance but also strengthens its resistance to humidity and moisture. Finally, inspect for termites or any signs of decay, especially at the base where moisture tends to collect. Catching damage early can save you from major repairs down the road. Let's recap. Apply a waterproof sealant. Clean regularly with mild detergent. Trim surrounding vegetation. Inspect fence posts for stability. Restain or repaint yearly. Check for termites and decay. Follow these simple steps to keep your wooden fence standing strong, even in the most humid conditions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.